Statement of Purpose, SOP. A Statement of Purpose, SOP, is a crucial document required for admission to universities, especially in the United States, as part of the application process. It is a personal essay that highlights an applicant's academic background, professional experiences, career aspirations, and reasons for choosing a particular program and institution. Unlike academic transcripts and test scores, which provide quantitative data, an SOP allows applicants to showcase their personality, motivation, and long-term vision in a compelling narrative. In this video we will explore in details about Statement of Purpose, SOP, covering the following topics. What is SOP? Why is an SOP so important? How to write SOP for USA universities. Key tips for writing a strong SOP? Let's begin with, what is a Statement of Purpose, SOP? A Statement of Purpose, SOP, is a personal essay required as part of the application process for universities in the United States, USA, especially for graduate programs. It highlights an applicant's academic background, career goals, research interests, and motivation for choosing a particular program and university. And SOP plays a crucial role in the admission process as it helps the selection committee assess whether an applicant is a good fit for the program. It showcases the applicant's intentions, aspirations, and long-term career goals while differentiating them from other candidates with similar academic records. Additionally, a well-crafted SOP reflects strong writing and communication skills, which are highly valued by U.S. universities. Now, let's move on to another topic. Why is an SOP important? An SOP, Statement of Purpose, is written as a crucial part of the admission process for universities, particularly in the United States, to provide insight into an applicant's academic and professional background, motivations, and career goals. It serves several important purposes. 1. Demonstrates fit for the program. Admission committees use the SOP to evaluate whether an applicant aligns with the program's objectives, faculty research interests, and overall academic culture. A well-written SOP highlights the candidate's preparedness and enthusiasm for the course. 2. Showcases intentions and goals. The SOP provides a platform for applicants to articulate their academic aspirations and career objectives. It explains why they are pursuing a particular field of study, how the chosen program aligns with their goals, and what they aim to achieve in the future. 3. Differentiates candidates. Many applicants may have similar academic scores, but a compelling SOP helps distinguish individuals based on their personal experiences, research interests, and motivations. It allows candidates to express their uniqueness and demonstrate their potential contributions to the university. 4. Highlights academic and professional background. The SOP allows applicants to elaborate on their educational qualifications, relevant coursework, research projects, and professional experience. It connects past experiences with future aspirations, showcasing the logical progression of their academic and career journey. 5. Reflects writing and communication skills. Universities in the USA place significant emphasis on clear, structured, and persuasive writing. And SOP demonstrates an applicant's ability to articulate ideas effectively, which is essential for success in graduate studies. 6. Strengthens the application. Beyond academic records, test scores, and recommendation letters, an SOP provides a holistic view of an applicant. It allows the university to understand the candidate beyond numbers and assess their passion, determination, and long-term commitment to the field. Now let's learn how to write a good SOP for U.S. universities. How to write SOP for USA universities. A well-structured SOP follows a clear format. 1. Introduction. A well-structured SOP follows a clear format. It begins with an introduction that captures the reader's attention with a compelling hook, such as a personal story, a quote, or a statement about the applicant's interest in the field. This section should also clearly state the purpose of applying and mention the intended program and university. 2. Academic background. Next, the academic background section provides a summary of the applicant's undergraduate education, relevant coursework, projects, and research experiences. It should highlight skills and achievements that are pertinent to the chosen program. 3. Professional experience, if any, if applicable. The professional experience section follows, describing any work experience, internships, or research roles. This section should connect practical experiences to academic interests, demonstrating how the applicant's background has prepared them for further study. 4. Motivation for choosing the program. The SOP should also include a section explaining the motivation for choosing the program, where the applicant discusses why they selected that specific university. Mentioning faculty members, research opportunities, courses, or facilities that align with their interests can strengthen their case. 5. Career goals. The career goals section outlines both short-term and long-term aspirations, explaining how the chosen program will help achieve these objectives. 6. Conclusion. The SOP concludes with a closing paragraph that reaffirms enthusiasm for the program, summarizes the applicant's strengths, and ends with a confident statement about their potential contributions. Key tips for writing a strong SOP. To ensure a strong SOP, applicants should be concise, typically between 800 and 1,000 words, and use clear, professional, and engaging language. They should personalize their essay, avoiding generic statements, and ensure that their writing is free from grammatical errors. Additionally, following university-specific guidelines is essential. By carefully crafting an SOP, applicants can significantly enhance their chances of gaining admission to their desired program, creating a strong impression on the admission committee. In conclusion, Statement of Purpose, SOP, is a critical component of the admission process for universities, especially in the United States. A well-crafted SOP strengthens an application by providing a holistic view of the candidate's potential, passion, and long-term commitment to their field. Therefore, investing time and effort into writing a clear, compelling, and personalized SOP can significantly enhance the chances of securing admission to a top university. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our video to get more such informative study tips in near future.